Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Boy Anand. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft PC Manager, a powerful tool designed to boost your PC's performance. So, let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft PC Manager website. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft PC Manager website. You can simply search for Microsoft PC Manager in your preferred search engine. Step 2. Navigate to the download page. Once you're on the Microsoft PC Manager website, navigate to the download page. Look for a link or button that says Download or Get PC Manager. Step 3. Check system requirements. Before downloading PC Manager, make sure to check the system requirements. Ensure that your PC is running Windows 10 with version 1809 and above, or Windows 11. Step 4. Choose the download option. On the download page, you might have different download options. Select the appropriate version of PC Manager for your system. It's usually labeled with the compatible Windows versions. Step 5. Begin the download. Once you've chosen the correct download option, click on the download button to start the process. Your browser may prompt you to save the file or ask for confirmation. Step 6. Locate the downloaded file. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. By default, it is usually saved in the Downloads folder on your computer. You can access it by going to your File Explorer. Step 7. Run the installer. Next, double-click on the downloaded file to run the installer. You may be prompted by the system or a security warning, so follow the prompts and grant any necessary permissions. Step 8. Follow the installation wizard. Once the installer opens, you'll be guided through the installation process by an installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. If you found this method helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
I hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Thanks for watching.